plants were harmed in the making of this video. One or two bamboo may have not survived before the video began, but that is currently irrelevant to the situation at hand. I have been keeping my plants alive for many years now, and the secret is simple. Get succulents. Start with what you can do, and then get a plant that likes to be cared for that way. Not get an orchid and then learn how to fit your life around caring for your plant. I have a couple of aloe, a thing that says water from the bottom, so I will tell you how to do that, and watering in general in a minute, because that's the hardest part. And a mini jade, who used to have neighbors in the pot, but now it doesn't, and a Christmas cactus, which is actually really happy, and I love it. It's the only one that gets flowers, so that's really cool. The setup is simple. Step 1. Buy a succulent that already looks happy and is already in a pot and it already has the correct soil and comes with watering instructions. Maybe somewhere like Lowe's, but I found my first aloe at a nearby grocery store in the flower section. Step 2. Put it on your desk. Step 3. Water. The water, like with humans, is the most important part. I water them when they come home, and then I water them all at the same time once a month. That's it. So if it can't handle that, it doesn't last. But then I get to have plants. I recently realized a new thing that helps with this watering process, because before this, I was watering them like every 2 months. I was literally carrying them to the sink, one at a time, standing there and watering them, and then carrying them back to the desk, and then repeating this process for all 3 containers. I have POTS, postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome. This, standing at the sink watering my plants, is not a good plan. Standing is not ever a good plan. Watering your plants out of your drinking water is also apparently not a good plan. Watering your plants while they are sitting on the desk and there is a hole in the bottom of the pot is also not a good plan. So here's what I recently realized. If there's a thing under the plant to catch the water, then I can water them while they are sitting on the desk. This means I don't have to get up and carry them anywhere. I can bring the water to the plants and sit here and water them. I discovered this because my new one wants watered from the bottom. This means you pull out the insert with the holes that has the plant and then put the water in the pretty pot below that has no holes and then put the plant back. This does not mean turn your plant upside down and water it from the bottom. My poor plant. You can put something to catch water under all of your plants and then just water them where they are without having to pick them up and carry them anywhere. And now my plants are getting watered. One last thing. Since I shouldn't use drinking water and don't want to go get a specific watering container and then stand and then fill it, I have found a new solution to this too. I use a disposable bottle, which I was going to use anyway, once a month, and water the plants with it before I drink out of it. Then refill the water bottle so I can drink out of it. Do you have any plant care tips? Like maybe you know what to do about an aloe that has outgrown its pot by 3,000%? That's something I have to figure out. But seriously, I would love to know if you have any plants and what they are. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.